Welcome back to the Everyday Workbench. Today I'd like to share with you a green solution that you can make at home to fight those pesky bugs in your garden. This solution works just as well on indoor plants as it does outdoor plants. The key ingredient is Castile soap, which is a natural insecticide. For this solution, you get bonus points if you use the peppermint version of Dr. Bronner's Castile soap, because the peppermint gives it an added bug repelling boost. Now, we're going to use olive oil. So the olive oil in the solution helps the solution coat the plants, so that's really important to use. And then we have cayenne pepper, which gives it a spicy kick. So you take 1 tablespoon of the Castile soap, 2 tablespoons of the olive oil. You're going to mix that into a quart of water in a spray bottle, and then add the dash of cayenne. Mix it all up, and you have a bug-fighting solution that'll work indoors and outdoors.